Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to book Emirates flight ticket online. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So the first thing you need to do here is you need to go to the official website, which is going to be emirates.com. Now from their website, we need to choose the service that we want to actually use. So in this case, we'll be using the search flights option here. Now there's two options. You could basically book a flight or a flight and hotel option here. But again, we'll be just use the flight option here. So in this case, we now need to choose our departure airport. So the departure airport here will be chosen automatically based on your location. So in my case, it's going to be Brisbane or BNE. Now from here, we need to choose the air arrival airport, which in this case, let's go ahead and choose one. So for example, we are actually going to, let's just say we are going to Athens. Let's go and choose this one. Now we need to choose the departing date, which in this case, the date that will be flying. So in this case, we want to maybe choose either Sunday here. Let's choose June 30, and we want to return on maybe, let's just say it is going to be on July 8th. Now I need to choose the number of passengers here. So for example, we have one adult. You could choose children and infants. So depending on the age, go ahead and choose the appropriate options here. Now you could also choose the economy class here that you want to use. So we have economy class, premium economy, business class, and first class. So currently the cheapest one that you could get here is going to be economy class. But if you want to leverage a premium economy, business class, or first class, you can go ahead and do that. But for now, let's go ahead and click on search flights. Now you should be able to see different flights that is currently available right now. So it might take a few seconds for it to actually appear, but when it's actually once it actually appears on your screen, you should be able to choose one. In this case, you should be able to see the pricing for those flights. So for example, for the chosen date, which is going to be June 30, 2024, we have the following. So this flight is going to fly from VNE to Athens, or ATH here, for 25 hours and 30 minutes. Now, in this case, the price for it is going to be economy, which in this case is around 1,470 AUD. Now, in this case, you could choose either of the following options. So you have Saver, Flex, and Flex Plus. Now, depending on the options that you get here, you'll be able to get more miles or even leverage some things that, to do here. Like for example, for Saver, you have the regular seat selection here. So in this case, at a charge. For the Saver one. For Flex, you have it is complimentary, so in this case you could choose your own seat. And the Flex Plus, again, you should be able to basically get the following options, like for example, change fee. So there's going to be no charge for it if you want to change the date. Refund fee, so there's going to be no charge fee whenever you ask for a refund. Now in this case, you could go and choose the plan accordingly. So for example, I want to choose this one as my flight for BNE to Athens. So let's go and choose the Saver. And now we need to choose our return flight, so which is Athens to BNE. So this is our return flight. So in this case, let's go ahead and choose, maybe I want to choose the following option here. Just go ahead and expand this one. And as you can see, some of them is sold out. So you only have the option for Flex Plus. Now you could go ahead and look for other sections here. So for example, we have this one. So you could either choose the other flights here to check if there are any other available seating. But for now, let's go and choose the Flex Plus here. Click on select. Now from here, let's go and click on to continue passengers. Now in this case, what you need to do next is you need to fill out all the necessary information that they'll be needing from you. Like for example, the passengers that will be riding, which in this case is only one. So you need to provide the title, name, as well as the frequent flyer benefits as well. So once you've added the passenger information here, you need to provide like contact details. And once you provided all the contact details and completed the information needed here, you should be able to choose your seat if you've chosen the upgrade plan, which in this case either Flex or Flex Plus. So in this case, just follow the on-screen steps here, and you should be able to proceed to payment. And under payment, you should be able to add your card as a payment method for your flight. But in this case, that's about it. So this one is actually pretty simple. Just follow the on-screen steps. Make sure to read what information they need here, and you should be good. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.